Hey there, streamers and content creators. Experiencing issues with your Elgato Cam Link 4K lagging behind your streaming magic? Fear not. In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Elgato Cam Link 4K lag and get back to delivering seamless, high-quality content. In today's digital world, having a lag-free setup is crucial for engaging with your audience. A lagging video feed can ruin the experience and turn away your viewers. Let's dive into some effective ways to troubleshoot and fix any lag issues you might be facing with your Elgato Cam Link 4K. Step 1. Optimize your USB. The right setup begins with using the correct USB ports. The Elgato Cam Link 4K requires a USB 3.0 port for optimal performance. Check your computer to ensure you're using a USB 3.0 port, which usually has a blue insert or features the SS label. If connected to a USB hub, try plugging it directly into the motherboard ports to reduce latency issues. Also, ensure other devices aren't hogging the bandwidth by disconnecting any non-essential USB equipment. Step 2. Update your drivers and software. Lag can often be a consequence of outdated drivers or software. Head to Elgato's official website and download the latest Elgato Cam Link 4K drivers. Don't forget to update your streaming software such as OBS or Streamlabs OBS and check for any firmware updates available for your camera. Keeping your drivers and software up to date can resolve many compatibility issues that cause lag. Step 3. Adjust resolution and frame rate. Setting the correct resolution and frame rate can significantly drop the level of lag encountered. Open your streaming software and optimize your settings for your PC's capability. If your system struggles with full 4K capture, consider reducing the resolution to 1080p or lower. Additionally, adjust the frame rate to a level your system can comfortably handle, such as 30 frames per second instead of 60 frames per second. Step 4. Check your cable quality. The issue might be as simple as using a poor quality cable. A high quality HDMI and USB cable can make a huge difference in maintaining a clean signal transfer. Look for cables that are specifically rated for 4K transmission to ensure they can handle the bandwidth required by your setup. Try swapping out cables to see if this resolves the lag problem. Step 5. Optimize system performance. Maximize your system's performance by closing unnecessary background applications that could be hogging your CPU and RAM resource. Open Task Manager, Control-Shift+Escape on Windows, or Activity Monitor on Mac to identify resource-heavy apps running in the background. Freeing up resources ensures that the Elgato Cam Link 4K gets the attention it needs to perform optimally. Lag can be a frustrating problem, but with these steps, you're well equipped to fix Elgato Cam Link 4K lag and bring your streaming back to life. Whether it's optimizing USB ports, updating drivers, or tweaking your system performance, you have the tools to ensure your streaming remains crisp and engaging. Remember, technology is an ever-evolving field, and regular updates to your hardware and software can go a long way in preventing future issues. Stay informed, stay updated, and keep delivering high-quality content to your audience. Happy streaming.